Thinking of trying Instories to elevate your social media? Stories with over 700 animated templates and the promise that you don't need any design skills? It sounds like an ideal tool for creators looking to craft stunning visuals quickly, but is it truly worth the subscription or just another app that overpromises and underdelivers? Instories has been around since 2012, giving it some credibility, and it boasts millions of downloads on both Google Play and the App Store, which shows it has attracted a significant user base. However, a closer look reveals a mixed bag of experiences. On one hand, many users appreciate the clean design, the variety of templates, and how easy it is to create decent-looking stories without prior design knowledge. On the other hand, there are a fair share of complaints that can't be ignored: unexpected charges popping up on billing statements, less than helpful customer support that leaves users frustrated, and concerning reports of admin access from unexpected countries that raise questions about data security and privacy. Feature-wise, Instories does deliver a decent range of tools and customization options, but some advanced features feel half-baked or glitchy at times. Performance can be inconsistent depending on the device, and the app occasionally lags or crashes, which can disrupt the creative flow. So is Instories a scam? No, it's not a scam, but it's far from perfect. It sits somewhere in the middle, useful and fun for casual users who want quick, attractive social media content without the hassle of complex design software, but potentially frustrating for creators who demand more reliability, transparency, and customer care. Ultimately, whether Instories is a good fit depends on your expectations and how much patience you have for its flaws.